All right. What's up, crypto family? This is Michael, and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today is August 27, 2021, and we are on greed. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin 4.1% down, Ethereum is down, Binance Coin is down, Cardano is down. I had actually an update on Cardano. Solana is down, XRP is down. Only Shiba is doing great, guys. Shiba Inu 34.3% up. Congratulations to Shiba holders, guys. And I'm sorry for the bashers. Avalanche, Chainlink, Algorand, all Stellar, VeChain, Phantom. They're all down right now, guys, because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down. Most altcoin follows. Guys, this is from Steemit. What are the most bullish and bearish months of Bitcoin? A seasonality case study. And we are on October. We will see green candle for, this is just an average. We will see green candle for Bitcoin, and probably next month green month, and December still green month but not really great. But January is not really great. So but this is a good opportunity to buy. So probably sell in November or December and celebrate your gains for Christmas. And crypto bubbles, Shiba 138% up. Rune, we have 54.3% up. And we have this SCR 79.6%. Oh, SafeMoon is 46.1% up. Just happened I don't have the SafeMoon on my exchange. We have Solana, GRT, Matic, CRV, NEXO. The rest are red, guys. Anyway, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. Bitcoin, this is our count. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5. We are currently expecting the price drop, as we mentioned before on the previous videos. And on the lower degree, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have the ABC correction, ABC. And we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right now we do have an ABC correction, ABC. So we're expecting somewhere, guys, at 54,000, 53, somewhere there, guys. Yeah, people are panicking right now. Oh, Bitcoin is dropping. Actually, we're just having a correction right now. But guys, we have to be aware of this ascending channel here. This is actually a bearish pattern. So we might see one more wave to the upside. And after that, we'll have ABC correction. So here we are for our chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're looking for ABC correction. So don't panic, guys. But if this one pops up, this one is counted too. This one is called running flat. So, but we might still see the price go somewhere here at 54 or 53,000. So somewhere there, guys. And or we might still see the price go here at the support level here. So you'll never know. But just be aware, guys. If the price drop here, and that's something. But I'm still looking one more wave to the upside. So if the price drop here, then that's something, guys. It's that's the bearish scenario. But the bullish scenario, I'm looking for one more wave to the upside to finish the fifth wave. And Ethereum, as we mentioned, our target would be the all-time high, and it really hit the all-time high. So crypto index, as we projected, 5 waves to the upside and still valid. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, still valid. So we're now looking for one more wave to the upside. Fourth wave, haven't touched the wave 1 yet, so this is valid. And now we're looking for one more wave to the upside. So Dogecoin, I was expecting wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But right now it dropped again. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, because of the Bitcoin drop today. Yeah, if Bitcoin drops, most altcoin will follow. But don't underestimate Shiba. Look at that. My another projection was 0005. Now it went up, guys. 0006, guys. Oh my god. Shiba, congratulations to Shiba Inu holders. Sorry for the bashers, but if you can see, Shiba is at 11th place and Doge on 9th place. Look at the market cap, 31. Dogecoin is 32. Almost, guys, almost overtaking. Almost, guys. Last time I posted on Facebook, it's just half of the market cap. And now Shiba is trying to overtake Dogecoin. People don't like these meme coins. There's no store of value, shit coins or whatever. But for me, in my opinion, guys, as long as it puts money in your bank account, that's all it matters. Total market cap and handle. We're looking price to go up, but right now it's just dropped because of Bitcoin. Total market 2, cap and handle. We're still looking for long here. And total market 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, still cap and handle, and we're just doing a little bit sideways, but we're looking for long. And Bitcoin dominance, inverted cap and handle, and we are expecting to drop. So guys, if Bitcoin dominance drop, it means altcoin season. So guys, this is all I got. If you find this video valuable, please like and share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my daily updates. And for now, trade safe. I love you. Take care. Bye bye.